Okay, so a dinosaur. I'm gonna draw a long neck. What are you gonna draw? Which kind of time?
I'm gonna draw
dino?
a rat.
A rock.
I'm gonna draw a little T-Rex here.
Oh, cool. Okay, so for mine, I always like to do the circle eyes. 2 circles like that. And then I do a little mouth here for him. And then I do another one. And I do a long neck down here, down to his feet. And then I do the foot, and then I do belly, and another foot. Uh-oh, I'm not going to have room for his tail. I'm going to have to do the tail out of the screen. And then I'm going to do his back here, and then a long neck up here, and then a head. And then I'll do eyes here, and then I'm going to make him have a smile, because he's a happy dino. And I'm going to make another foot here so we complete the features.
The feeties.
And then I'm going to give him a couple spots. Beep-a-dee-bee. There he is. He's a baby Brachiosaurus. Let's see your T-Rex.
Wow.
What do you think?
That's impressive. What do you think of this?
Hey, that's good. Hey, did you guys draw a dinosaur with us? Show us if you did. Nice. Nice work.
Nice. Those are looking really good out there.
If you didn't draw one with us, grab some paper, go ask an adult, and say, "Excuse me, can I have some paper and a pen or a marker to draw a dinosaur?" And you guys can draw and hang out with us and draw some dinosaurs. And we're just going to keep opening presents while you draw dinosaurs. But you know what? How about we spell this?
Sounds good.
Let's just spell dino.
Dino.
Dino is 4 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And dino starts with a D.
D?
D, yeah.
Oh, D.
D, 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 D. And
D.
die. D-I. Die. I makes a I sound or a I sometimes, but in this case it makes a die.
Die.
And then a N. Dine. Dine.
N.
Dine. Dine. Dine.
Dine.
Dinos like to dine.
Dine.
They like to eat food.
Then.
And din.
Din din.
Din din. Dinos.
D-I-N.
You know what? You know what a dino's favorite thing is, I think?
What?
Din din.
Din din.
Yeah. Hey, what's your favorite thing?
Din din.
Yeah.
Catfish.
Hey, you know what? With our coconut eggnog and Home Alone, we should probably cook some din din.
Some din din.
What do you want to have tonight?
Well, I was thinking something like catfish.
That sounds great.
What do you like to eat?
The catfish sounds good. Can we do catfish and French fries?
Sounds good.
And
Yeah?
I always like to have a little health in there, so can we do a salad with it too?
Oh, good idea. Salad is good.
Catfish, French fries, and salad.
Sounds like a balanced meal.
And then for dessert,
Yeah?
we do coconut eggnog.
Oh, buddy boy.
And we put on the fireplace and Home Alone.
This is going to be a good night.
Tonight's gonna be great, but we gotta finish Dan.
Dan.
What's the last thing?
Dino.
No. I know. Dino.
Dino.
Dino. There you
Wow, how
go.
about that?
Yep, Dino.
Dino.
Hey,
Nice.
little friendly dinos. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, everybody.
Dino.
How you doing today?
Man, that's swell right there.
Yeah.
That is super swell.
Yeah.